The slightest words you said have all gone to my head. I hear angels.
Lately I got this feeling, I don't know what's the meaning, but I know it's strong and it's over you. All I want is to be home with you. I'm coming right back. Living without you is a no. I'm coming right back. I wish you were here. Yeah, I wish you were here. Music is better.
Now that I'm thinking sober, don't you try to get no closer. I'm just gonna get in my car and drive and drive. Looking in the rearview mirror, everything is so much clearer. Watch me wave it all goodbye, goodbye. The lights flashing, giving me all the danger signs. Someone to save, but it don't work that way. Think you made your greatest mistake. I'm not gonna call this a break. Think you really blew it this time. Think you could walk on.
Let me tell you a story about a girl and a boy. He fell in love with his best friend. When she's around, he feels nothing but joy. But she was already broken, and it made her blind. But she could never believe that love would ever treat her right. But did you know that I loved you? Or were you not aware? You're the smile on my face, and I ain't going nowhere. I'm here to make you happy. I'm here to see you smile. I've been wanting to tell you this for a long while. We're gonna make you fall in love. I know you got your warm wrapped all the way around your heart. Don't have to be scared at all. Oh, my love, but you can't fly unless he lets you. You can't fly unless he lets yourself fall. Well, I can tell you're afraid of what this might do, 'cause we got such an amazing friendship and that you don't wanna lose. Well, I don't wanna lose it either, and I don't